Hi everyone, this is Ileana from Cherishurmemories, and I want to show you the album that we made in the tutorial. And I went ahead and I added a few of the stickers onto the pop dots here. I don't know if you can really tell there. And I added some bling all throughout the cover here. I don't know if you can tell real quick. Let me show it to you here. See? So it says happy birthday and many more. And here's one of the stickers in that collection of the Let's Party from Echo Park. Here's a little sticker on here, and what I did was I added some Velcro here to, couldn't find my magnets, but I added a Velcro. And what it is when you open it up, here are the 4x6 mats. So you could put a 4x6 photo on here. Here's little spots for journaling. Here, I left these are just the little cut aparts because they are decorated on the other side. I left them in here. And you can actually add extra photos in here, little books in here. This is one of the pieces that we made in the tutorial. One of the pieces from the frames and tags. Here's one of the little stickers from the collection as well. Here we have some more. These are more of the cut aparts. And some more of the 4x6 frames here. Some more of the stickers and the frames and tags here. Here's another sticker here on the top. It's, I don't know if you can see it. It's like a little horn with a bunch of confetti coming out. Let me bring it up for you. Not sure if you can see it there. There you go. Okay. And here's, on this side here, I put another one of the stickers. Here's balloons. 4x6, some more of the little tags here. It says this party makes ya jump jump. A birthday cake here. May all your wishes come true. Happy birthday to you. Then I bounce, you bounce, we bounce. Happy birthday to you. Now this is a tag and this is a sticker over here on this side here. These are little balloon animals here. And then here you have a piece of cake and another little balloon animal. Some balloons here. And the 4x6. Here's a few of the little pieces of tags to use some journaling. Put it here on the corner here. And here are like the 4x6s. See? This is how they are. But this is a great project. I did the tutorial in another video, so you can kind of check it out. But it's a simple project that you can make to give to friends and family. You can put this inside of a gift bag. You can put it, you can give it as a gift. You can decorate it any which way. I mean, you can make them with the 4 pages like I did in the tutorial. You can make them to the 8 pages. I mean, the amount of pages is endless. You know, it depends on how fat you want to make the little book. But I guess you want to call it kinds of like a little folio, but it's like a pocket folio in a way. Excuse me. Sorry, it's late tonight. They say it's your birthday with a little present here on the side here. It kind of blends in. Ooh, there we go. But if you didn't catch the other video where I showed it, here I made that same book with the authentic companion with a 6x6 paper sheet, and I can actually do a little video later if you want on how we work with the 6x6. Excuse my kids in the backgrounds. But I just wanted to share with you, you know, the possibilities that you can make little gifts and not be a full-time extreme crafter and still make something cute to give as a present or for yourself. Okay? Well, oh, and here's this other one. I'm not sure if you saw it in my other video, but if you didn't, here you go. This is Love Struck from Authentic, this paper line. But see? So the possibilities are endless on what you can do, as in how many photos you want to stick in all the pages. See? But just wanted to share with you guys so you can kind of get an idea. This is my little project for 2019 so far. I got it from Lyric Lover on YouTube, Lyric Lover 810. on YouTube. I saw her video and I was inspired to try it myself. And hopefully I explained it so you can try it yourself too. Alright guys, take care. Bye.